Hey guys, today I'm at the Ohiopyle Treehouse, and this is honestly one of my favorite tree houses that I've been to. It has everything that I look for in a getaway. It has all the comforts of home, and I just thought of the things that you don't really think about packing when you're traveling, and I just truly love it here. It's a great spot to get away for a weekend or just a girls getaway or anything like that. I'm going to take you on a little tour through the treehouse, and then after that I'm going to show you some hikes that they have nearby. In case you can't tell, the kitchen is one of my favorite parts of this treehouse, and it's the first place you see when you walk through the front door. They have plenty of useful appliances such as a microwave and a toaster oven, and there are also plenty of glasses, plates, bowls, and mugs. There is also a gas stove if you choose to cook while you're here, and they also left a little s'mores kit in case you choose to build a fire. Just to the left of the s'mores kit, they have these towels for the hot tub. Just off of the kitchen is the bathroom. There is only one bathroom in this treehouse, but it's about 4 times the size of a normal one. The shower is lined with this beautiful whitewash wall shiplap, and I also love this unique wood counter that holds the sink. Now we can go check out the living room. First of all, I really love how they have the artwork up here showcasing the waterfalls that they have here at Ohiopyle State Park. There's also this waterfall, which I think is Cucumber Falls, which is the one that I'm going to be checking out today. One thing that I really loved about this place was their welcome packet. It's not really even a welcome packet, it's a welcome binder because they have so much information in here about hiking nearby, and they have like owner's favorite for the ones that the owners really love, which is why I'm checking out Cucumber Falls. That's that one. And then they have just restaurants and different trails and stuff, and it's just truly so helpful. They also have a map of some trails here right on the property if you want to check those out while you're here. And back here beside the couch they have a yoga mat. And here's a better look at the living room altogether. They have plenty of seating in here and comfortable pillows and blankets. And I thought that these little kitty chairs were cute too if you're traveling with family. Right out here is the main deck, and there is plenty of seating out here as well. They have string lights up here. You can see them better at night, and then over here is a propane heater. If you're sitting out here when it's cold out, this will be perfect. All right, now if we go up the stairs, we can check out the 2 bedrooms. Okay, here's the first bedroom, and this one is the master. And there's a TV mounted up on the wall. And their TVs are smart TVs, so you just need to know your Hulu or Netflix login, and you can use the TVs while you're here. And each room has its own heating/AC unit, which makes it really nice. That way, whoever's in each room can customize how hot or cold they want the room when they're going to sleep at night. And I also really love that each room has its own private deck. This is the one in the master bedroom. Come out here and it just overlooks the trees and is completely private. And there is seating out here as well. And here's the second bedroom. Again, there is a private deck over there to the left, and it's similar to the other deck, so I'm not going to show you again. But in addition to the bed in this room and the bed in the other room, there's also a loft in this room, which sleeps 2 extra people. So altogether, this treehouse can comfortably sleep up to 6 people. The outside area is actually just as impressive. They have this swing bed that looks out into the woods. They also have this really unique fire pit, and they supply all of the wood, kindling, and fire starters for you. A couple of other things that make this place so special are the trails that they have right here on the property, and my personal favorite, the hot tub.
Starting route.
I'm out here in the hot tub and the twinkling lights are on behind me, and this is just such a relaxing place and a relaxing getaway overall. I did try one of the beers that they had sitting in the fridge. This one was the one from Laurel Highlands Brewing, and I love it. It's an IPA, but overall I'm just sad that this is the last night here and that the Treehouse stay is coming to an end. I'm gonna share some more information and content on my Instagram. My Instagram is just at linda.carol.s. I actually don't think I mentioned it yet, but this is a VRBO or Verbo, whatever you say. And I'm going to share the link to that in the description box below this video. So if you want to book a stay here, or if you want to see more pictures or check it out or anything, you can take a look at that. And thank you so much for watching this video.